Excel chart with two x-axes, horizontal, possible. Is it possible to create an Excel chart which has two x-axes, i.e. horizontal axes, not vertical y-axes? I want to use the second axis to plot the normalized value of the default horizontal axis. I am using Excel 2007.
Back at home now, so have rewritten for Excel 2007. You can have a primary and secondary axis in some chart types, line, column and bar at least, maybe others. They are in pairs so you can't have a secondary x-axis without a secondary y-axis. But you can make the secondary y-axis identical to the primary version, and then hide it, so it has no effect on the graph. Instructions. Create your basic chart with the required series. Right-click the series line for each series that should use the secondary pair of axes. Select Format Data Series. And inside the Series Options tab choose Secondary Axis. Right-click the chart itself and click Select Data. Select on of the series to use the secondary axis and define the horizontal, category, labels. Tweak the chart as needed. You may find it useful to use the More Options option from the image above on the secondary y-axis to ensure it matches your requirements. You can also hide the secondary y-axis, if needed, from the same place. Result.
Schuberts, Sonata, subscribe.